Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And oh my goodness, I can't wait to dive into this. This is, can you guess what this is? This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I can't wait to open it and show you. Is this lovely newsletter. Okay. So this is interesting. So this Glam Bag X is with influencer Addison Rae. So you'll see her throughout this little mini catalog. And also Addison's most trusted products. That's interesting, real quick. But that's like a lot of stuff. Yep. All right. So no further ado, let's just dive in. Oh, I feel like such a happy girl. Okay, the first thing I see in here, I'm just gonna pull out with no, in no particular order. It's MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth. This is a hyaluronic brightening eye complex. Oh, do I need this? Okay, this is what it looks like. I did get add-ons, so this box is also going to be a bit full because of that. I think they put everything in there. But there you go. And I will indicate what was an add-on and what was in my normal order, but that looks nice. I don't know if I've ever gotten anything from MZ Skin before, but this is what it looks like inside. Okay. And I'm just gonna, oh, it's really thick. I'll just apply a little under my eye. Go. That feels very soothing. It has a slight scent, but not anything dramatic. I like that. I'll definitely be using it. I'm totally into eye serums nowadays. It is their 24/7 moisture hydrating day and night cream. I have their cleanser. It is awesome. So I have high hopes for this. Feed your skin the good stuff. Formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, without mineral oil and petroleum, formaldehyde. Nice. So I can't wait to dive into that. So let's see what the container looks like. That's the typical Tula packaging. Beautiful. And inside we have a lid. That's nice. I'm assuming it opens. Oh, I have to get some of the pierce it. Okay, no worries. It has like the plastic sealant, so I'm gonna have to break that open. Let's see. I think I have to, it's a, oh, no. I was able to lift it with the side of a blade. I thought I had to pierce it or something, but no, I don't have to. It lifts right off like so. Oh, it's extremely thick and creamy. Love it. I'm just scraping off whatever's on the lid here so I don't lose any of it, any of this tasty goodness. Not that I eat it, but I'm just saying. And it has that Tula scent. So again, if you're not into any fragrances, this may or may not be for you. Look at that goodness right there. Okay, there's this little package here, and it's from Attitude. I don't know if you see that here. I will be posting the pricings here in hopes of, speeding along the opening. Oh, right, this is the head turban that I ordered. Yes, because I think this is the head turban. Is it? I don't know. Let's see. Yes, it is. Okay. So this I will wrap around my hair when it's wet, so I don't have to worry about, you know, rubbing my hair to death with a rough towel. I just put this in like this, and this wicks the wetness, the liquid out, while still retaining the moisture in my hair. So I find my hair feels like it's a gentle way to take care of my hair. So I'm really excited about this. It feels so nice, and it has like a texture to it, which is really cute too. I can't wait to use it. I see something pink, and this is called Generation Skin, or Gen Skin. Okay. Open it up here a bit. Okay, so it looks like it has a little spoon, and the stuff is underneath. Now I'm curious, I thought it was an actual like thing, but maybe I'm wrong. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it looks like this. Ah! I don't know what to make of this, but look at that. It looks a little like slime. And it has like a glue scent. I don't know how I feel about that, but it smells almost like Elmer's glue. So this is supposed to be an eye mask of some sort, but then I have to lift it. It looks like it might lift with the handle. Again, something I will probably have to play with. That is intriguing. The texture is intriguing. So, and it comes with this cute little spoon. Biomimetic Hair Science. Leave-in molecular repair hair mask. Yes. Okay, something for the hair. Hair and skin. Skin and hair. This box is calling to me in all kinds of ways. And that's what it looks like. Never heard of this brand, K18. Let me know in the comments below if you have. Maybe they have a line of different things. A leave-in molecular repair hair mask. It sounds similar, suspiciously like Olaplex in that kind of verbiage on what they're saying. It says here, use the shampoo, do not condition, towel dry thoroughly. Begin with 1 pump of this hair mask and add more as needed depending on length, thickness, and condition. Work evenly into hair from ends to roots. 1 pump at a time. Let sit for 4 minutes to activate. Do not rinse out. Style as usual. Never heard of this brand. Have you? Let me know in the comments below. This is from a company called Kinship. Okay. Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. It's clean and cruelty-free. Ooh, okay. And it says over here, lip hooray. Anytime when it comes to skincare, especially when it comes to delicate eye area here and lip. Very important to stay protected, to keep moisturized. This is what it looks like. Very skinny little doodad there. Yes, I said doodad. Oh, and it has that. So I could either put it on like this if I don't want to use the tip to glide it on. Okay, it's starting to come through. Oh, you see that? I'll put a drop there just for, it almost feels a bit like, look at that. It's called Super Melt, huh? It does have a scent, almost like the old-fashioned lip glosses. That's what it smells like. And it feels a little bit goopy. So I guess a little goes a long way. Yeah. It has a slightly fruity, artificial fruity fragrance, so. Yeah. But again, if you're not into any fragrances and stuff, this might not be for you. I don't think I've heard of this brand either, Kinship, so I am excited. What else does it say on here? it says melt-in hydration and gentle exfoliation for plumper, softer lips. And it says apply to lips daily, then smile. From Stila, love, love, love. And this is their Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. In what color, I wonder? In Stingray, which looks like a very deep onyx or black to me. Let's see, probably. I tend to go for the more vibrant colors, like their blues and their greens. But, oh, the color payoff, the creaminess, amazing. You think that's liquid? It's actually a solid. It's a pencil. And it's from Way. And it has its own little cleaning for the lens. Oh my goodness. I just want to see what these look like. I think these are going to be my summer glasses. So look out, world. And I love how they carefully, oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, look how pretty. Always necessary as a beauty accessory to have shades for the summer, because I'm already like thinking summer. I am so done with winter. It's not even funny. Pat McGrath. What? Yay, Pat McGrath. And this is Lust Gloss. Lip gloss. Yeah. I don't have much from Pat McGrath. So when Pat McGrath shows up in these subscription boxes, I just lose my mind. What a pretty lip color. Very universal. And it's a lip gloss. Sounds like there's something in there to help, you know, distribute what's in there. Oh, and here's the, ooh, it's like a flat angled paddle there. Yeah. Let's see. It has a very strong vanilla birthday cake icing scent. So if you're not into any fragrances, that may not be for you. Oh, but I like it. I like it. It's a nice everyday put on, fly out the door type of color. I like it. Goes well with, oh yeah. I have to say, I'm pretty satisfied with this box. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing. And for those who have been commenting, thank you again so much for checking out my videos and for taking your time out of your day to watch this video and to leave a comment. And if you haven't done so already, please leave a comment. Keep it on the positive tip though. And hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe. Bye.